guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm Teresa Michele, and today we are partnering with DAODER Lashes. I'm going to show you how to get salon quality lashes at home with this lash kit. So let's get into it. The kit that was sent to me has a lash book, bond and seal, remover, eyelash tweezers, and a spoolie. Let's take a closer look into this lash book. I love the color of the book. Ooh, look at all of these different lashes. This lash book comes with 640 pieces of lash clusters, and they range from 40D lashes to 100D lashes. When talking about lash extensions, the number 40 is the number of individual lashes in the lash cluster. The D stands for dimension or fan. So 40D, there are 40 individual lashes in this lash cluster. This lash kit is designed to create a very full and dramatic look. All right, let's get into the application of these. First things first, I am going to take my spoolie and I am going to brush through my lashes to make sure that I don't have any lint, oil, debris, anything going on in there. And I also want to make sure that they are separated. All right. I'm just brushing through my lashes like this on the top and underneath. What I am going to do is I'm going to take the lashes that I'm going to use out of the lash kit and I'm going to place them on my little part here so that I know where my lashes are going and it will be a much more easy application. I just love how fluffy and voluminous these are. The band is so thin, like it's super duper thin, and it feels super comfortable without me even applying any lash glue or anything. I already know that this is just going to work out. Now that we have our lashes mapped out, let's go ahead and apply them. We are going to start off by using the bond. This is how the applicator looks. I'm going to take the bond and I'm going to apply it to the base of my lashes, just like this. And I'm going to take it in to the corner lashes as well. Now I'm taking my lash applicator tweezers, picked up a lash cluster, and I am just going to place it where I want it to be along my lash line on the underside of my natural lashes, just like that. And that stuck so easily. I'm gonna do 216 on the outer corners. All right. So there are the 216s. All right, now I am placing the 14. And look at that. Just look at how easy it's just going on. Going in with the next one. And yeah, it is just grabbing those lashes. I'm going to go ahead and put a 12 right here. And just like that. And then I'm going to grab my 11 and place my 11 right there in the corner. And that right there was so simple. That was so fast, so easy, so simple. And if you plan out your lash mapping first, it just goes on so quick. I love the way that these look. Look at that. They are so cute. Okay. And just let's take a look. Just look at the comparison here. Look at that. Now let's go ahead and seal this with the seal side of the bond and seal. This is what the applicator looks like. We're just going to take the sponge end of it and apply some of that sealant. So I'm kind of dabbing and moving side to side a little bit to make sure that it gets on there. Then I'm going to take this sponge and just kind of move it upward, just up on the lashes a little bit. and take that brush and kind of get that seal up there as well. Don't forget about the corner lashes. I am being very generous with this sealant. I want to make sure that my lashes are sealed on. Let's take a look underneath and look at how thin that band is. That band is so flat. It's so comfortable. The quickness and ease of these lashes is just phenomenal. I just love them. I love them. I love this lash kit. I love how there's so many options in here for you to choose from. You can do so many different styles of lashes with these lashes. I am very pleased. So if you guys are tired of strip lashes and want a custom lash look that is easy to put on, it's beginner friendly, it's like super duper easy, then I suggest that you go get the DAODER Lash Book. This book is amazing. You guys saw it here first, saw me applying the lashes and how easy it was. So go on, get yours. Make sure you tell me how you like it. I cannot wait to hear about your great experience with this. And don't forget to hashtag DAODER Lashes so that we can all see how your lashes came out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!